When you build a house, my favorite analogy, you don't build the house from the roof, right? You build it from foundation. You build the foundation and then you start building walls, and then you adding windows, and then you adding roof, and then you do decor. So similarly, in this particular discipline of testing AI, there's a lot of things. This particular cohort, we're actually going to test AI. This is the skill you cannot find on the market, is because it's such a new thing. Practically to no one knows this.
I was thinking about my thoughts when I started, and I was thinking, learning something, a little bit of this, and then learning a bit of this. And I immediately want to know, how does it fit in the entire picture of everything, right? AI, what are we talking about? And for me, it was stressful. I'm like, no, I need to know more. I need to know, like, why am I learning about this piece? But then probably on the week 2, maybe maximum week 3, I started to like calm down and like, oh, okay, now I see. From this moment on, I just decided I'll just trust the process and everything's gonna be fine.
We show you examples, we show you the exercises, we describe them in a very nitty-gritty details, and then we break to the virtual rooms. Instructors and volunteers rotate to help you out. And I noticed a lot of people stay quiet. They basically sit and listen. This is not the place for that. When you're assigned to virtual room, we want you to take over this, right? To be proactive. You should act quickly. Each exercises will be 20 to 30 minutes.
The Intel processors won't allow you on a Mac to download LM Studio. I tried because I didn't want to buy a new laptop.
Every cohort, we have a student comes with Intel processor, cannot install LM Studio, and then first class and run to the store, buy the new laptop and come back. Every cohort, I swear, it's funny.
We actually fluid in a sense. We try to keep the core theme and the core functionality of what we did on previous cohorts, but we also will introduce different tools or different things based on feedback.
We're not going to teach you like how to write a resume. I think most of you can do that. We're going to teach you actually how to find a job and position yourself in the market, or what I call how the job can find you, right? Students that go to universities for this particular discipline, they spend 4 to 5 years to learn that. And we're talking about data science, machine learning. So think about like how we can crash it in 5 weeks. And that's why you need to engage. And we highly encourage to be very proactive. And that's we notice those students that are proactive are those that actually either get bumped in their career or finding jobs.